In today's video, I want to share with you how you and your family can move to Estonia and get permanent residency. Estonia is in Europe and it is not well known, and I just do not know why most people shy away from moving to Estonia, because Estonia is one of the best places or one of the best countries to relocate to Europe. The upside of this being, one, the cost of living in Estonia is very low. Two, the visa application processes of Estonia are very easy, and actually it takes you 7 to 30 days to get your visa once you apply for your visa. And three, it is very easy for you to get jobs in Estonia, and also jobs are not competitive, so it is very easy for you to land jobs that are giving you visa sponsorship. Most of the time I tell you guys, my viewers, that I want you to be equipped with a lot of knowledge, because I want to give you tips and tricks on how sometimes, if not all times, you can move to these countries if you've tried great places or big places like UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and whatnot. And I tell you, one of the things that I find very amazing, and what I see a lot of people doing, and what I'll also advise you to do, is if you've been trying all the places that you've been thinking of, that is your top 3 countries, let's say USA, UK, Canada, or Australia, and you've not been able to secure positions in those places, I'll advise you to look for tiny places or less competitive places. For example, in Europe, you can try places like Portugal, Poland, Malta, Estonia, and there are a lot of places that are not very competitive. They are not very well known, so not everyone is trying to get jobs and get visa sponsorships and work permit. That is why today I want to share with you the process of how you can move to Estonia, from securing a job to what is required of you for you to apply for a visa. And the funniest or the most or the best thing with Estonia is they are very welcoming to immigrants. Whether you're a student, I know a couple of people who have moved to Estonia. Estonia has very great architectural industry, and it supports a lot of diplomacy studies. I know a couple of people from my country, Kenya, who have moved to Estonia for their master's students and completed their processes. A couple of them have gone back home after finishing their studies, and a couple of them are still in Estonia. If you ask me, because I know like the cost of living in Estonia and how much you're going to be paid in euros, I'll say if you've not, or if you've looked for all the places you might think of and you've been unable to secure positions, then Estonia is the place you should be looking out for. If this is the kind of information you love to hear, then I'll say watch until the end of the video to understand each and everything I'm sharing with you. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information on matters relocation abroad, with jobs that give and opportunities that give jobs, visa sponsorships, and also how you can move abroad to study, and also for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I do not take you for granted. I appreciate you so much. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are updated. Remember to also, guys, like and share. That way YouTube will recommend this video to more people. That way I'll be motivated and you'll help me grow this community. I will be sharing links with you where you can apply for these jobs in Estonia, and I'll not be sharing my screen with you guys today because I want you, at your own free time, please go through these links where you can get jobs in Estonia. You'll also understand the benefits, or more of the benefits, rather than what I'll be talking about today, or now you can move to Estonia. And also you'll understand the visa application process, and also I'll be leaving a link on how you can redo your CV to the standards that are required by Estonia employers, and it will help you to and give you an upper chance for you to secure your job. So let us get down into it. What do you need to move to Estonia? First of all, you need a job. And the reason why I say it is very easy for you to move to Estonia, or it is less complicated, it is because, one, moving to Estonia is not competitive. That means there are a lot of jobs you can do in Estonia, whether unskilled, low skilled, or high skilled. And there are not a lot of people who know about Estonia or who fantasize to move to Estonia. I always tell you guys on this channel, if you're my ardent follower, I always tell you, please, if you've been unable to move to all the other countries, move to small countries first in these big continents like Europe. Then in that way, once you land there after being there for 1 or 2 years, that gives you an upper hand to apply and look for opportunity in the first world country or countries, compared to you just staying in your home countries, whether you're in Asia, whether you're in Africa. And that gives you an upper hand literally to get jobs in like whatever place you dream of. So once you secure a job in Estonia, the minimum wage of jobs in Estonia is 1,300 euros. That is averagely what people make in Portugal and in Poland. And the cost of living in Estonia is relatively low compared to what you'll get in places like Poland in Portugal. Rent actually around a 1-bedroom in Estonia will get you or will go for around 400-500 euros. That is quite low. If you ask anyone who is living in the UK or in the USA or in the definitely abroad is or can be very expensive in terms of rent. But because of the cost of living in Estonia, most of the things, including from bills, that is utilities and rent, they are quite affordable. So if you're getting 1,300 in Estonia as a single person, you are expected to save relatively 500 euros per month. Then everything else you lose on food, transport, rent, and paying your utilities, that is your electricity and water bills and phone bills if you have, and internet bills. So also, what happens once you get your job? Once you get your job, you go to your Estonia embassy, or you apply to any embassy that is near your country on their website. And actually, after you have applied for your visa, that is after your employer has given you your work permit, your visa is granted between 7 to 30 days. The maximum is 30 days. Once you get your visa, you can move to Estonia. I'm going to leave all the link on the description box because I want you to go on your free time, read as much as you can about all these government websites where the government is saying what is on the Estonia's shortage occupation list, what is life like in Estonia. I've not been there yet, but I have seen a lot of good testimonies. I know the architectural is superb, and also the security in Estonia is very good, or the security is rather very high, and also people are a bit friendly, and it is not populated. One of the problems that you might encounter in this world as an immigrant is living in a place or in a city that it is overly populated. You do not even get a space to breathe. If you can even go on YouTube and watch videos about Estonia, you realize it feels like a deserted place because it is not quite a very huge or a big country in square miles, but it's not like overly populated. So you'll find, or you'll enjoy a lot of good space, great amenities, good healthcare, and also you'll enjoy the environment because it offers, and Estonia offers a lot. So if these are the kind of opportunities you're looking out for, remember I have said whether you're unskilled or skilled, if you want any opportunity in Estonia, you'll get it. The only downside of moving to Estonia, I'll say, is you are moving to a country that maybe you did not want to move. But as I have said, and I've said on this page for a long time, please guys, if you want to move abroad, sometimes have more than 5 options, because option number 1 might not work, 2 or 3 or 4 might also not work. So I feel like you need to have a lot of options. Once you go to these countries for 2 to 3 years, maximum 3 years, you'll always have an upper hand to apply to places like Canada for jobs, to apply for places like US, and also you meet and interact and connect with a lot of people. As I've said, Estonia boasts a very good system on the education system on diplomacy. So you can imagine the kind of diplomatic ties and students, your fellow students, workers, or people who you just live with who work or who come to Estonia as diplomats. That gives you an upper hand to even understand how you can secure some of these big government jobs and also a lot of NGO opportunities in Estonia. If these are the kind of opportunities you're looking out for, please watch and listen to all the videos I'm going to share on the description box. Remember, please guys, to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are updated. I upload each and every day at 12 p.m. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. If you're coming across my video for the first time, remember to subscribe, share this content, like, and help me grow this community. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and until next time, bye.